Hello and welcome to How to Start a Business, the podcast online course that teaches you everything you need to know to launch your own successful business. I'm your host, Debbie, and I'm here to guide you through this exciting journey. In this course, we'll cover topics such as choosing a business idea, writing a business plan, funding your business, creating your products or services, marketing your business, selling your products or services, managing your finances and taxes, and scaling your business. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to start and grow your own business in any field you're passionate about. This is episode 6 of the course, and today we're going to talk about how to register your business. Registering your business is an important step in making your business official and legal. It involves choosing a business structure and getting the necessary licenses and permits to operate in Nigeria. Registering your business can help you protect your personal assets, comply with tax laws, avoid legal issues, and establish credibility. But how do you register your business? What are the different types of business structures? What are the licenses and permits you need? How much does it cost and how long does it take? In this episode, we'll answer these questions and more. We'll also share some tips and resources to help you register your business easily and quickly. So let's get started. The first step in registering your business is to choose a business structure. Your business structure is the legal form of your business. It determines how your business is owned, managed, taxed, and liable. There are different types of business structures in Nigeria, such as sole proprietorship. This is the simplest and most common type of business structure. It means that you are the only owner and operator of your business. You have full control over your business decisions and profits. However, you also have full responsibility for your business debts and liabilities. Your personal and business assets are not separate. Partnership. This is a type of business structure where two or more people share ownership and operation of a business. You can have different types of partnerships in Nigeria, such as general partnerships or limited partnerships. Partnerships allow you to pool resources and skills with others. However, you also share responsibility for your business debts and liabilities. Depending on the type of partnership, your personal and business assets may or may not be separate. Company. This is a type of business structure where a business is a separate legal entity from its owners. A company can have one or more owners, called shareholders. Shareholders elect a board of directors to manage the company. Companies offer limited liability protection for shareholders. This means that shareholders are not personally responsible for the company's debts and liabilities. However, companies are more complex and costly to set up and maintain than other types of business structures. They also face double taxation. The company pays taxes on its profits, and the shareholders pay taxes on their dividends. Enterprise. This is a type of business structure that combines some features of a company and a partnership. An enterprise can have one or more owners, called members. Members can manage the enterprise themselves or hire managers to do so. Enterprises offer limited liability protection for members. This means that members are not personally responsible for the enterprise's debts and liabilities. However, enterprises are more flexible and simple than companies in terms of taxation and regulation. To choose the best business structure for your business, you need to consider some factors such as the number and type of owners you have or want to have. The level of control and involvement you want to have in your business. The amount of risk and liability you are willing to take on. The tax implications and benefits for your business. The costs and complexity of setting up and maintaining your business. To learn more about the different types of business structures in Nigeria and how to choose one for your business, you can check out some online resources such as the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) website, the Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS) website, the SME Toolkit Nigeria website. You can also consult with a lawyer or an accountant to get professional advice on choosing a business structure. The next step in registering your business is to get the necessary licenses and permits to operate in Nigeria. Licenses and permits are legal documents that grant you permission to conduct certain activities or meet certain standards in your industry or niche. Licenses and permits can help you comply with local, state, and federal laws, protect public health and safety, and prevent fraud and abuse. The types of licenses and permits you need depend on various factors such as dash the type of business structure you have, dash the type of products or services you offer, dash the location of your business, dash the size and scope of your business. Some of the common types of licenses and permits you may need include dash business name registration. This is a registration that allows you to operate a business under a name that is different from your own name. You may need to register your business name with the CAC if you have a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or an enterprise. You can register your business name online or in person at any CAC office. Dash company incorporation. This is a registration that allows you to create a separate legal entity for your business. You may need to incorporate your company with the CAC if you have a company. You can incorporate your company online or in person at any CAC office. Dash tax identification number, TIN. This is a number that identifies you as a taxpayer in Nigeria. You may need to get a TIN from the FIRS if you have any type of business structure. You can get your TIN online or in person at any FIRS office. Dash professional license. This is a specific license that allows you to perform certain regulated professions or occupations. You may need to get a professional license from the relevant regulatory body if you have a business that involves fields such as law, medicine, engineering, accounting, or education. Dash trade license. This is a license that allows you to engage in certain types of trade or commerce. You may need to get a trade license from the relevant ministry, department, or agency if you have a business that involves activities such as import, export, manufacturing, retail, or wholesale. Dash special permit. This is a permit that allows you to operate in certain sectors or industries that have special requirements or regulations. You may need to get a special permit from the relevant ministry, department, or agency if you have a business that involves sectors or industries such as agriculture, mining, oil and gas, telecommunications, or tourism. To find out what types of licenses and permits you need for your business in Nigeria, you can check out some online resources such as dash the CAC website, dash the FIRS website, dash the Nigeria Business Permits and Licenses Directory. You can also contact your local, state, and federal agencies directly to get more information on the requirements and procedures for obtaining licenses and permits. Once you have identified the licenses and permits you need, you can apply for them online or in person. You may need to provide some information and documents such as dash your business name and address, dash your business structure and ownership, dash your business description and activities, dash your tax identification number, TIN, or employer identification number, EIN, dash your personal identification and contact information, dash your fees and payments. The cost and time of obtaining licenses and permits vary depending on the type and level of license or permit. Some licenses and permits are free or low cost and can be obtained quickly. Others may be expensive or take longer to process. You should plan ahead and budget accordingly for the licenses and permits you need. And that's it, you've just learned how to register your business in Nigeria. Congratulations! You've taken another big step in making your business official and legal. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to set up your website and social media. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for listening to How to Start a Business, the podcast online course that teaches you everything you need to know to launch your own successful business. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something valuable. If you did, please leave a review and share this podcast with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me at debbie@yenloft.com.ng. I'd love to hear from you and help you with your business journey. Until next time, this is still Debbie, signing off. Bye.